Hello. Now we're going to be discussing function composition. Function composition takes one function and stuffs it inside of another function. One way I like to explain it is like the turkey and the stuffing. You put the stuffing in the turkey, okay? So if I have a function f of x, and I have a function g of x, and let's say I say f of x is equal to the square root of x plus 3, and let's say I say g of x is equal to 3x minus a 5, then I can do an operation between these functions. F composed with g of x. F composed with g of x is equivalent to f of g of x, whereas g composed with f of x is g of f of x. So here, g is the stuffing, f is the turkey, and here f is the stuffing and g is the turkey. So I guess the letter on the right ends up becoming the stuffing, the letter on the left ends up becoming the turkey. So let me show you what we do with mathematical turkeys and mathematical stuffing. Okay? What you got to do here, over here, if we have defined f and g the same here, f of x, I'll write it up here since we'll clear up some more room. F of x is, what do I have? Square root of x plus 3. And g of x, what I have is 3x minus a 5. Okay, now I can clear up some room. And I'm just rewriting this stuff, but lower. Okay? What is f composed with g of x? Well, we know f is the stuffing and g is the turkey, so we'll stuff f into the turkey. Okay? But then, let me just rewrite what f is. Well, it's been given to us that f is the square root of x plus 3. So I'll just replace it as such, right here. I'm just going to replace it with what is defined as being. Next, I'm going to stuff this square root of x plus 3 in for every x that I see in g of x. Because this is g of x, but g of the square root of x plus 3 is whenever I replace every x in g of x with the square root of x plus 3. So right here is where the square root of x plus 3 is going. Okay? Next, I notice that this is just 3 square root of x plus 3 minus 5, and this is really what g composed with f of x is. It's this right here. Now, let's switch the roles. Let's now make, instead of having f be the stuffing and g be the turkey, let's have g be the stuffing and f be the turkey. Okay? If g is the stuffing, it comes first. Okay, so then I got f of g of x, all right? But g of x, I'm just going to write what it was defined as. It was given to us that g of x is 3x minus 5, all right? Now, f of 3x minus 5 is the function f with every x in it replaced with that 3x minus 5. So as you can see, I just put it in parentheses, and now I'm actually only going to write it 3x plus a 5. Then when we do some algebra, we notice that 5 plus 3 is 8, so this is 3x plus an 8. My radical is way too big. I'm too radical. Okay? So, and this is what our f of g of x. F composed with g of x. Sometimes called fog and goff. But don't call it that. That's you trying to make it something in the English language. It's actually a mathematical command. It says to stick one function into another function. And this is called function composition.